Hey everybody, it's Ryan Carson with Carson Law. This video is designed to talk to you and give you more information and educate you about your exciting purchase file that you're about to embark on with our office. If you're a returning client, thank you so much for trusting us again with your business. And if you're a new client, welcome to the Carson Law family. We're very excited to have you with us.
So as I said, my name is Ryan Carson. I'm the principal and owner of Carson Law. And no matter what lawyer or staff or clerk is working with you on your purchase file, I'm always a point of contact for you. If you have a question or concern, email, call me anytime, and I know I will get back to you very promptly to answer your questions. Otherwise, we do work in a team process to help service you better, and that means there'll be several people that you will come in contact with on this file. But never fear, like I said, always feel free to give me a call or email anytime you feel overwhelmed or you have a question that you don't feel is being addressed. We're here to take care of you. Once you've been able to listen to this video to completion, you'll be armed with much more knowledge about how the process works and what are your next steps. So here are your next steps for you. We need you to return to us your signed retainer agreement with copies of valid photo identification. If you don't have any photo ID or you're unsure of what that might be, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you with that. And if you don't have the ability to copy or scan your ID to us, feel free to pop in anytime and we'll take care of making a copy here at the office for you. Otherwise, after the ID, there'll be an ID form that is required by the Law Society for you to return to us. And finally, there is a purchase information form. By completing that purchase information form, you'll be giving us very important information like your full legal name, your date of birth, your marital status, your intention for the use of this property, and your contacts for the people that are arranging your financing, like a mortgage broker or your bank rep, as well as the person who's arranging your property home insurance. So we call that the binder letter. So these are really important pieces of information for us to have, because once we have them complete and up to date, we can largely take the file now and run with it and do processing. With a purchase, one of the next things that you'll end up having happen is behind the scenes, we will do a review of the agreement of purchase and sale and a title search. That title search is conducted in part by our conveyancer, who is a specialized and trained individual who looks at title searches to make sure everything about the property you're about to buy is the way it should be. It meets all the required norms and standards, and they review that with myself or one of my other lawyers to make sure, again, we're taking care of you and that you have no title issues. You will get an email with a document that is for you to review and sign, which would be a summary and an acknowledgement of this process taking place. And that's where we'll point out any errors or concerns about the title to you and talk about strategies to fix them and rectify. Or you'll be signing something saying everything is satisfactory, no problems with title. But that's something to expect in the coming days to weeks, is us completing the title search and sending you this result for you to acknowledge. Then what we'll continue to do once we receive your mortgage instructions, if you have financing, and your home insurance documentation, is process the rest of the signing package for our signing appointment. And what that means is usually the week of closing, we try to make it 2 or 3 days before if possible. We meet with you and we sign with you all of your closing documents, which once those are completed, we can process so we can get funding from your lender if you have financing with a mortgage or so forth. And we can coordinate that insurance coverage so that if there is something that happens to the property, it's damaged in a fire or a storm or a water event, you will have your property protected for reimbursement and restoration. So these are all really important things that we go over with you, that we use in the process of the purchase file. And once we've got that all done, on the day of closing, we will proceed to coordinate with your bank the mortgage and the processing with the seller's lawyer, and we do the registration. We call you, congratulate you that you're now the owner of a property, and we send you either instructions on key pickup or key code pickup. So that's the process of a purchase. Again, any questions, you call me anytime.
Because I'm your lawyer at Carson Law. Thanks very much. Take care.